Fifth grade, how are you feeling? It is the last lesson of the whole entire year. This is awesome. It's like empowering and great. And we are actually going to end with lesson 5.6, divide decimals. This is the same as the last lesson. I just really wanted you guys to get a review. So bear with me, same steps. I'm going to go through them. We're going to read them. We're going to get it done. So page 223 starts off with, Matthew has 72 cents. He wants to buy stickers that cost 8 cents each. How many stickers can he buy? All right, so remember, because we do have decimals on the outside, we're gonna move it 2 places to make it a whole number. And then because we moved on the outside, we have to also move on the inside. So there we go. Now we have quote unquote normal numbers that we can deal with. So 8 cannot go into 0, obviously. It can't go into 7, but it can go into 72 9 times, which doesn't give us a remainder. So they can buy 9 stickers. All right, now this is the try this. This is kind of where we combine everything that we've learned all together into one. So we do have a decimal on the outside. We have to move it 1 place, which means that we're also gonna move it 1 place in here. Now let's divide normally and we'll deal with the remaining decimal afterwards. So we have 7 into 5, it can't. 7 into 56, it can 8 times, which gives us 56. There's no remainder, but there is a decimal left in our answer. So we're gonna count from here and it's 1 place, which means that we're gonna add 1 place into our answer. So our answer is 0.8. All right, guys, we made it to the example on page 224. And it says, Sherry hikes on the Pacific Coast Trail. She plans to hike 3 7/2 miles. If she hikes at an average speed of 1 2/10 miles per hour, how long will she hike? So again, we're dividing. And let's go ahead and do it. All right, here we have it. Remember, the first thing that we're gonna do is move our decimal from the outside, which means that there's 1 place and 1 place over here. Now let's go ahead and just divide like we normally would. It goes in 3 times, which gives us 36. Drop down the 2, goes in 1 time. And no remainder. But we do have the decimal on the inside, which means that we're gonna count from here and there's 1 place that we have to move. So starting over here, same thing, 1 place. So our answer is 3.1. So Sherry will be hiking 3.1 hours. You can go ahead and skip numbers 1, 2, and 3 from the explain and describe. All right, here's the try this from page 224. We do have a decimal in here, which means that we're gonna move it 1, 2 places over. And look at that, no decimal now. Yay! So 14 doesn't go into 1, it can go into 19. 1 time. I bet that's 4, just because it ends in a 6, but we're gonna check. Ha-ha! Ha-ha! Subtract, and there is our answer because there's no decimal to move on the inside. All right, guys, today I feel like being nice, and especially because it is the last lesson. Listen, really quickly, give yourselves a good pat on the back for making it all the way through and just bearing with us, especially with all of the virtual learning and everything. Good job, guys. Super proud of you. Let's go ahead and I will let you skip 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20. You can go ahead and skip all of those. So that pretty much just leaves you with the on your own and 2 of the problem solving. And that's it. All right, best of luck, guys. You guys got this. Yay! Last lesson of the year. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Panda, 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 family productions. Parents of the 5th grade, padres de quinto grado, today is the last lesson of the whole entire year. Hoy es la última lección de todo el año. So today we are actually doing division again. It's almost like a review, except that we're adding all of the steps that they've learned together. Hoy va a ser casi un repaso, pero solo van a poner todos los pasos que ya han aprendido todo en uno. So let's go ahead and get started. Remember, when we have a decimal on the outside, we have to move it so that way we can have a whole number so we can divide by. Cuando tenemos un decimal afuera, tenemos que mover el decimal para que luego podamos tener un número entero para dividir. So the very first thing is we're going to move the place. Vamos a mover el espacio. And now we can just divide. Y ahora podemos dividir. And because we have no decimal left on the inside, this is our answer. Y porque no nos queda un decimal adentro, esa es la respuesta. Now for this one, we have one space that we need to move. Solo hay un espacio que vamos a mover, which means that we do have a decimal on the inside, que significa que sí tenemos un decimal adentro. We will deal with that at the end. Vamos a hacer algo con eso ya al final. All right, there is our answer. Ahí está la respuesta. But we do have one space on the inside, so we're going to count that. Sí tenemos un espacio adentro, so sí lo vamos a contar. Which means that we're also going to move one space in our answer, que significa que también vamos a mover un espacio en esta respuesta. So the answer is 3.2. La respuesta ahora es 3.2. Parents, as always, please feel free to send me a text message, an email, a message through Google Hangouts, however you need to get a hold of me. I would love to connect with you and clarify with you if you didn't understand this lesson. Padres, me pueden contactar por correo electrónico, por texto, por mensaje en Google Hangouts. Por favor, contáctese conmigo si todavía no entendieron la lección de hoy o si todavía están batallando. And for anyone else who's watching, if maybe you're looking for a specific math concept and I haven't done a video on it yet, please drop a comment below and I would love to make a video specifically for you. Y para ustedes que están viendo que a lo mejor no han encontrado el concepto de matemáticas en un video que yo he hecho, por favor, déjame un comentario abajo y me encantaría hacerle un video específicamente para usted. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Gracias por ver mi video y que tengan un buen día.